people are messaging businesses like yourself on social media, it's best to give them the ability to have fast and easy responses. After all, over 150 million people message businesses on Instagram every single month. So in this video, I'll show you an awesome feature within HighLevel that allows us to use suggested replies within automations. This will give people response options right within the DM, so they're one click away from sending you a response. Let's dive right in. Now, I personally love this feature. This is an awesome way to get people engaged. In order to use this, we're going to use an automation. So we can go ahead and create a new workflow from scratch or open up a current one. And in order to start using this, we first need to add a Facebook or Instagram trigger. We can either use a comment trigger, so either a Facebook or Instagram comment on post, or a customer reply trigger. To keep things simple, we'll use a customer reply to trigger and then add our filter for reply channel and add Facebook or Instagram. Either are going to work. Now that we've got that trigger, we can add our action and we can use the Facebook or Instagram interactive messenger. Since we've got our Instagram related trigger, we'll use the Instagram related action and vice versa for Facebook. Now here is that Instagram interactive messenger. We have two reply types. We have either reply to comment via DM, which as you can guess, we would only use this with our comment trigger. And then we have simply reply to DM, which we would use with our customer reply to DM trigger accordingly. Now we have two options. We can either just include a regular message here, which is just going to send a message and not give us the ability for those quick replies. But if we scroll down, we can click quick replies, which is really cool. By doing this, we can click add quick reply, enter a quick reply. So for this example, let's say we want to give our customers a couple options like booking a call, going to our website, or visiting our YouTube channel. We can add one reply like that, add a second reply like this, add a third reply like that. And now we've got three different replies that if they click these within the conversation manager, it'll send that reply back to us. Now, when we've got this turned on, what this will end up looking like is we'll have our message here up top, and then we'll have three buttons underneath, which give them the options to click a quick reply. Now, just like that within our quick replies, whenever we use this workflow action, we will get different branches for this. So we can launch different workflows based off this. So obviously, if they reply to quick reply 1, which was in order to book a call, then we can set this message as a DM, which can include a booking link here. And we can do that the same for all of these different quick replies. And just like that, here is that quick reply in action. So what happened was a customer sent us a message, then it sent that message here again, like I just showed you. This is that text right there. So we can see that showed up in Instagram. We sent that. And then on the customer side of things, we can see that we've got that message that we sent here again from that automation right here. That's that message. And then we've got those three quick replies. It looks really good. It makes it really easy for our customer to reply to us right within Instagram and then to launch automations off of it right within HighLevel. It's super awesome. I personally love this feature, and if you're using social media, this is an absolute must-have to have engaged with lots of automations in order to have these quick replies set up for your customers so you can completely run your business using HighLevel and Instagram and Facebook. This is awesome. I hope you found some value in this. This has been Andrew, and as always, thank you so much for watching.